Do a push-up when you're horny. I told you we are going to watch anime, and then you can leave. Reasoned NG in school. Alright, does anyone know the answer to this problem? Correct. You're a genius. Me. 2. It's 2. How'd you? No secrets. And your Jordans are fake. About how you pull no hose. Hey little Yuko, how's it going? I killed someone yesterday. Yay. Please help me. Save my cat. In the barn. Crazy person. Then you can hold my pay. Nice person. Is stupid. Is smart. Act stupid. Act smart. When you're in a group project and you're the reason why team is going to fail. I want a dog. Woof. I want a chair. I bet you could get away with charging 100 yen. They waiting for Chainsaw Man anime premiering. Did you see the 20-second leaked footage? It's CGI and it's horrible. Twitter. Chainsaw Man fans. Makima isn't thick enough, and she doesn't sound like a MILF. Quit having fun. Mappa plans for this year and 2023. Mappa employees. What if she can't take this anymore? Chainsaw Man fans the moment they see Makima. Woof. Woof. Top 10 most anticipated anime. Spy X Family Part 2. Chainsaw Man. But all the hype. 10. Student with a bright future or 5 granas, which will you save? Cat. As you wish. I wanna sleep with my pochita tonight. Chainsaw Man fandom. Manga readers and future anime only watchers wanting to become Makima's dogs. Manga readers wanting to become Power's cats. Steal his look. Reese. Reset. Riri. Zeze. Chainsaw Man popularity poll 2022 be like. 4th. Fans. 5th. You want to be my boyfriend? Nah, I'm good. The no smoking with kids in the car law is ridiculous, just look at them standing out there in the rain. Variant confirmed. Miwa, Aqua, Kabini, being useless. They seem to be very good friends. Takta Sahina, Akihei Akora, Mappa's black-haired one-armed boys who use a weapon that slowly drains out their life force. Anime heroes and who they wanna be. Hokage, Pirate King, Wizard King, Pokemon Master. No, one hero. CE. Chapter 77 to 84. Chapter 85. You have entered the comedy area. What is Kabini good at doing? Cry? Me. Chainsaw Man. You go read it. Don't make me come over and puke like this. Damn. I can't wait for my favorite anime to air on the 11th of October, 2022. Kid named International Nuclear Conflict 56 hours from now. It's my mental illness, and I get to choose the coping mechanism. I could have saved her. Special instructions: send your cutest delivery girl. Makima, dragging me to my death. Me. F off. I'm begging Makima to crush my balls with a hammer as she bites my tongue and pinches the tip of my cock so later she can make me eat her shit and piss before suffocating me with her succulent ass. Every masterpiece has its cheap copy. When you hear "oh," it gives me Jujutsu Kaisen vibes for the 69,420 time after they watched Chainsaw Man trailer. Shut up. Please shut up. Tatsuki Fujimoto after seeing that everyone predicted Yuko's death. Well, now I'm not killing her. A swarm of 20,000 bees once followed a car for 2 days straight because their queen was trapped inside the car. Other anime, manga fandoms, the Chainsaw Man and Jujutsu Kaisen fandoms. Barges into the manga, goes toe to toe with Guangxi, becomes one of the most popular characters, refuses to appear further, leaves. Penis ha. People who don't know. People who know. Welcome to Chainsaw Man. Here we have the tournament arc, the beach episode, the comic filler. Chainsaw Man anime trailer dropped. Centimeter community. Power fans that wanted her hair to be pink. Centimeter fandom celebrating now that people will stop comparing Power to 02. Chainsaw Man anime translators seeing that they have to translate every person who died in the Gun Devil fight. There was a cat too, dude. I raised that boy. Chainsaw Man will hold a second character popularity poll to commemorate the release of Volume 11, the final volume of Part 1 of the series. Participants will be able to vote from March 4th to March 31st. Me, voting for Kabina's car. I'm doing my part. Babe, let's hunt Chainsaw Man. I'm visiting Yuko. This shit again. Bruh, simp. Everyone, Chainsaw Man's ending will be miserable and up. Chainsaw Man's ending. This one sparks joy. This one does not spark joy. Mappa, are you animating stuff? It's buff. Chainsaw Man doesn't really exist. It's American propaganda. Month later. Just do one push-up whenever you feel horny. Lawful good, neutral good, chaotic good, lawful neutral, true neutral, chaotic neutral, lawful evil, neutral evil, chaotic evil, lawful stupid, neutral stupid, chaotic stupid. Think Denji, think. Do you really thought someone like you called the normal life? The beach episode we deserve. The beach episode we'll get. Attack on Titan. Chainsaw Man. The next chapter is the finale, but there's also going to be an announcement. It's an anime adaptation by Studio Mappa, and also part 2 of the manga. Trade offer. You receive my heart. You also receive a normal life. CSM anime watchers, is there a beach episode in this anime? CSM manga readers, I'll make a contract. Because actually I'm Chainsaw Man. Lol. Loser. Okay, I hate devils. Damn, I love these too. 50% of Makima simps explaining how having a dump truck ass justified Wasami everything she did. Fujimoto killing off his characters. Fujimoto drawing Makima's ass.